how to create meeting summaries with Fellow AI. First, open your web browser and go to fellow.ai. Then, sign in to your Fellow account. Once you're inside the Fellow dashboard, you'll see your calendar and workspace. To create a meeting summary with Fellow AI, open a meeting that already has notes or meeting information available. In my case, I don't have attend any meeting, so my workspace saw blank. Inside the meeting, look Ask Fellow. Now, you can ask Fellow to summarize the meeting. For example, type, "Summarize this meeting and highlight the key points." Fellow will analyze the available meeting information and generate a concise summary for you. You can continue asking Fellow questions to find specific details, decisions, and follow-up tasks from the meeting. And that's how to create AI meeting summaries with Fellow, using Ask Fellow to quickly turn your meeting information into useful summaries and action items.